Hi everybody, I'm Sergio with Mobility Direct and welcome to today's YouTube video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to unlock a joystick on a power wheelchair. Before we get started, I just want to mention two things. First, if you want a copy of our free product catalog, all you have to do is go to our website, mobilitydirect.com, just click on the green button at the top of every page that says free catalog, fill out that simple short form, and one will be in your mailbox within 1 to 2 weeks tops. Something else I want to mention is that if you subscribe to our YouTube channel, you're automatically entered into a giveaway. We give away mobility scooters all the time. So it takes no time, it's free to do. Just hit that subscribe button and you could be the next lucky winner. I'm going to throw the last winner on the screen just so you know it's legit, and we'll be right back with you. We're actually giving this one to one of the residents here on the 3rd floor. It might be your neighbor. Yeah, they entered into a giveaway raffle and they won. That's why we're getting it on camera.
Exactly. Oh
Yep.
my gosh! I'm so happy for you.
Hello.
It's good to meet you. So, we're here with Gloria, and she's got her scooter that we're donating, and all she did was subscribe to our YouTube channel about a year ago.
I said it's a godsend that I got this. It's a miracle, really. I needed it desperately.
Well, it's something we're really happy to be able to do, Gloria.
Thank you.
And we really appreciate those kind words. And it's pretty easy. All you have to do is subscribe. This is what we're doing here every 6 months. So if you know somebody else that could use one, please tell them about it. All right, well, hopefully you're subscribed, and good luck if you did. I'm going to go ahead and get started now and show you how to unlock a joystick. I have a Pride Go chair that I'm sitting on, and it has a standard joystick controller that you see on many different models. And what happens is sometimes they get locked by mistake. So there's actually a feature. I'm going to show you how to lock it so you're aware of how to lock it so that you don't accidentally lock it. But if your joystick's not working and it's just not moving, if you hit the power button and it doesn't go anywhere and it just shuts off when you move the joystick, it's probably locked. If you checked your batteries and the batteries are brand new and your charger's good, that's probably what it is. So we're going to change the camera angle a little bit, and I'm going to first show you how to lock the joystick. All right, so we have the joystick here, and it's a power wheelchair, so you know it works with this joystick here. Normally, you just hit the power button, and it turns on, and it's working fine. Now, sometimes, without knowing it, you might accidentally lock the joystick, and I'm going to show you how to lock it. The locking process is pretty easy. First, you hit the power button, and you hold it until you hear a beep. Then you move forward until you hear a beep. Then you move back until you hear a beep. And now it just beeped and shut off. The joystick's locked. So now if I go to use it, I turn it on, and we have a sequence of the lights going on for the battery meter. So the lights go from the first one to the second, the third, the fourth, the fifth, and it rotates through that sequence twice, and then it shuts off. And if you try to use the joystick while that's happening, it just shuts off. It's not working. It's as if though the joystick is not working and the wheelchair is broken. But that's not the case. So what you do to fix this is, it's pretty easy. You just hit the power button and then you hold it in the forward position until it beeps, and then hold it in the backwards position until it beeps. It's beeping again now, and that's just letting you know that the joystick is now unlocked and it works as it's intended to. It's a very easy fix, as you can see, and hopefully this is going to help users out there that are sitting there wondering why their joystick isn't working. All right, everybody. Well, again, I'm Sergio with Mobility Direct. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you have any questions, post them in the comments section below and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Thanks again for watching, everyone. Have a great day. Before you go, please don't forget to visit our website, mobilitydirect.com, and click on the green button that says Free Catalog to claim your very own free catalog. Just fill out the short form and it should get to you in about a week or 2 max. I just want to take this time to personally thank each and every one of you for watching this video. We couldn't do it without our subscribers. So if you like our content, please go to YouTube, search for Mobility Direct, and subscribe to our channel. You can enable notifications. That way you'll get notified whenever we release new videos. We're constantly making great videos. We have tons of playlists that range from repair videos, unboxing videos, research and development, and much, much more. If you like this video, please feel free to give it a thumbs up and ask any questions in the comments section below. We love hearing from our audience. Whether it's feedback, comments, or suggestions for a new video topic, we love hearing from you. None of this could be done without our loyal audience. We hope to hear from you. Thanks for watching again. Have a great day.